SkilledMBA case study series in general management introduces the complex decisions faced by businesses today. Sienci Labs, under CEO Andy Lee, is at a critical juncture. The company, known for its desktop and benchtop computer numerical control machines, is exploring the integration of generative artificial intelligence. This initiative aims to enhance efficiency while maintaining the creative culture that defines their business, following recent collaboration with business school faculty on generative artificial intelligence research. Sienci Labs, under Chief Executive Officer Andy Lee, specializes in desktop and benchtop computer numerical control machines for makers and small businesses. Recently, they joined a generative artificial intelligence research initiative with business school faculty. The challenge now is crafting an artificial intelligence integration roadmap that enhances efficiency while respecting company culture. SL's involvement in a Gen AI study highlighted potential benefits for small businesses. Employee reactions varied, with some fearing job loss while others embrace new tools. Andy Lee faces a critical decision, assessing Gen AI's value in enhancing operations and products, balancing innovation with workforce concerns. Balancing human ingenuity with AI-driven efficiency requires careful integration of creative craftsmanship and automation. Managing diverse employee perceptions is crucial to maintaining a collaborative culture. Phased technology adoption involves selecting pilot projects and scaling based on impact. AI literacy should be integrated into hiring and learning, while AI ethics and governance ensure responsible use and data privacy. Our agile team structure and maker culture openness are strengths in generative artificial intelligence integration, supported by existing technical skills. However, limited artificial intelligence experience and potential skill gaps pose challenges. Opportunities include automating design processes and enhancing customer support, while threats like employee resistance and data quality issues must be managed to avoid ethical missteps. Kotter's 8-step change model guides AI integration. Start by creating urgency and building a coalition to champion AI adoption. Develop a clear AI strategy and communicate it transparently. Remove obstacles by addressing resistance and providing training. Celebrate early successes to generate wins. Sustain changes by expanding pilots and embedding AI into the company culture. Prioritizing AI use cases involves evaluating potential impact and feasibility. Focus on projects that align with strategic goals, offer significant return on investment, and are technically viable. Engage cross-functional teams to assess resource availability and potential risks. This structured approach ensures efficient allocation of resources and maximizes the benefits of artificial intelligence integration. In stakeholder analysis, categorize stakeholders by power and interest. High power, high interest includes senior leadership and technical leads. High power, low interest involves board members and key investors. Low power, high interest covers engineers and customer support. Low power, low interest consists of administrative staff and external vendors. Tailor communication strategies accordingly. Establish robust data privacy protocols to safeguard customer and operational data. Implement bias prevention measures to ensure AI outputs are fair and unbiased. Clearly define intellectual property ownership for AI-generated designs and content. Ensure human oversight by maintaining human-in-the-loop requirements for critical decisions, balancing automation with human judgment. Exploring strategic alternatives. A design AI pilot offers quick wins with automated CAD tweaks, but faces limited scope and automation fears. A customer-facing chatbot enhances support efficiency, yet risks inaccurate answers. An employee AI bootcamp builds in-house champions, though it demands time and cost. An AI vendor partnership leverages expertise but risks vendor lock-in. A wait-and-learn approach avoids missteps but may miss competitive advantages. Begin with a pilot phase. selecting 1-2 high-impact use cases for testing. Develop an artificial intelligence literacy program for all employees in the training phase. Expand successful pilots to more departments in the expansion phase. Finally, integrate artificial intelligence tools into core business processes during the integration phase. Incorporating AI literacy into job requirements ensures candidates possess essential skills. Develop internal workshops and external learning opportunities to enhance employee capabilities. Form a Gen AI guild, a cross-functional team of AI champions to spearhead initiatives. Establish continuous learning programs to keep pace with AI advancements, ensuring the workforce remains agile and informed. Achieving a 30% efficiency gain in design and support processes is crucial. We aim for 85% employee adoption of AI tools, fostering a 20% increase in innovation for new product features. The return on investment is projected within 12 months, ensuring strategic alignment with our AI initiatives. AI should enhance, not replace, human creativity, preserving craftsmanship. Collaborative design merges human intuition with AI's computational power, fostering innovation. Augmented support empowers staff to deliver superior customer experiences, ensuring AI complements rather than overshadows human skills. Begin with high-impact pilot projects to demonstrate AI's potential. Prioritize transparency and training to foster a culture that embraces AI. Align AI initiatives with SL's maker-centric values, ensuring ethical governance. Treat the integration of generative AI as an iterative journey, continuously refining and adapting to meet evolving needs.